Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a what fits in my new crossbody bag. So I just got this for our Isle of Wight holiday, which is on Friday. So obviously we're going to want our phone in here, but my phone's there, recording, so we can use a calculator. Around the same size, just a little bigger I think. So we'll just shove that in. And then it might be a sunny day, like it is today. So we'll want some sunglasses, they're just in the case, just from getting scratched. So we shove them in. And then you might want some tissues in case you just need them. I'll put them in, and some Vaseline in case you get some dry lips. Depending on where we're going, how much we need to take, I might, if I'm taking like money or something, I want in the small pocket. The tissues will just slide into the big pocket. But if I've got quite a bit, I will just put like a stick in there that fits on the side. So, or just take both because they both fit. Now just put the small one in back, and I could also put this one in. Yeah, I'll put the pop top in. This one I'll just set. And then, obviously, if we're going out somewhere, I might want some money. So that can also fit in the front pocket, just on top. Like fit a card in, or like I said, take out the tissues in here, and fit a card and some cash in. Yeah, now I want them here. And then that's pretty much it for the top pocket right now. Except, what else would I need? Aha. So I got these mini monks cats. I've got one that is a red devil and toilet red. I'm going to put the red devil in, I think. Little character toy. Can fit in here probably. Yeah, it does fit right there. And then I could even put purse in with the bottom pocket. I can put my purse in here. So I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I could fit some plasters, either in the front pocket or in the pocket here, with tissues. Probably, if I do put them in this packet, I can also fit a nail farm, and that can also fit in that front pocket. And then, like, obviously, I'm wearing a watch today, and I feel like I want to take it off. I can just go shove it in here. I don't want to put it in here because I don't want it to break anything. So I can just put it in here and it fits. And pretty much it. Except if I want some mini spray, that will fit in the front pocket here. And if I want my hand cream, that will also fit in the main pocket. So overall, I could fit a lot of stuff in here. I could fit I could even put in some like with this perfume. Or whatever it is called, I've forgotten what it is. This stuff. I could fit a few hairbands in here. Some smaller hairbands. Some colourful hairbands. I could even fit like a few hair clips in. And then if I'm going out somewhere and I wanted to wear a bracelet, but I don't want to wear it too right now. I'm going there, or we're going somewhere first, and then I could fit the bracelet in the front pocket of the main compartment pocket. Pretty much anywhere. So that is what I can fit in my mini crossbody, not mini, but my small crossbody bag. So see you next time, which will be a packing video for the Isle of Wight.